So when they come giving me all kinds of ways to go to God, some try to sell me the idea of diets to go to God. Stop eating meat, and all right, then you purify yourself and you go to God. Stop doing this. Don't wear red anymore, because that's a bad color. It disagrees with the Spirit, it'll say. One lady would only wear a certain color because it was becoming to her, someone told her. So she made it a law, like some divine revelation. You couldn't wear red, you couldn't eat onions. Well, can you imagine cooking without onions? Well, just imagine having to cook without a piece of garlic, without onions. Well, now, she can't wear red, and God has scattered red all over the sky. See a sunset. What a beautiful picture. A sunset, that mass of red. Go into any garden and see red. And God does with all the colors that the artist can't do. He blends all the colors into one flower, and it's beautiful. But we can't put red with this and so on and that. So they have all these little isms. Yet the Bible warns you against this. When Peter said, I cannot eat the unclean thing, he fell into a trance, and a sheet came down bearing all manner of food. And the Lord said to him in vision, that which I have cleansed, slay and eat. So they can't eat this, they can't eat that. If it disagrees with you, oh, well and good, but don't say it is unspiritual. He made everything for the food of man. Someone said, why do you take a drink? You are a man, and you're supposed to be a man born from above, and you take a drink. I said, because I enjoy it. But he said, that's not spiritual. I said, who is to tell me what is spiritual? Didn't God make it? Who on earth made alcohol? Didn't he make it in the grain, and then gave man the intelligence to extract it? Didn't he make it in the grape, and then gave man the intelligence to take it out? And you tell me not to exercise the palate that he gave me? Oh, I can indulge, I can overdo anything in this world. There isn't a thing that one eats that is good for him that he cannot go to the extreme and make it unwholesome for him. I suppose that almost everything is good in itself, but eat excessively and see if it is. So the thing goes for everything in this world. Learn to discriminate. I must become discriminating in all my thoughts in this world. But don't tell me that there are taboos on things that God made. He made everything for man, and he made man for his own satisfaction. Well, the time is up, and so until the next time, thank you.